Our next variation is going to allow us to use the power of an alignment to position a code. We're going to zoom in to the second corner, second bend of road 1, which includes chainage 190. We're going to get our cross-section window showing chainage 190. And we're just going to zoom, just using the mouse, just to zoom out a little bit so we can see the content of the cross-section window. You may be able to see there is an alignment which we have pre-drawn for you to indicate where the left edge of bitumen should be positioned within the drawing. To have the software use this particular alignment, we have to go and create a variation. In the cross-section window, it would be helpful to see this alignment. Now, this is a procedure which you should try and undertake as often as possible to graphically display an alignment within this window. We're going to go to the Display tab. In there, we're going to go to the following button, which is Show Other Objects. In the following form, on the string name pull down, always pick all. You do not need to go and find your particular string. Always pick all. The display item type will be an alignment. The name of the item will be Road 1 EB Widen. The Civil 3D users will have a Civil 3D alignment in that current position, whereas we're currently looking at a Civil Site Design alignment. Either will be shown within this list. We're going to say from 0 to 1000. If the alignment does not exist in those particular chainage ranges, then it won't show it. Click OK. You can see at chainage 190 now we have a blue line in the cross-section window indicating where that alignment is. If I go to the Home tab and scroll back through the cross-sections and forward through the cross-sections, you can see the alignment position changing. We're going to set the cross-section window to chainage 190, and then we're going to hover over the LEB code, right-click, add variation, and this time we're going to change something. So we're going to modify, and we're going to use the Match Code to Alignment option. In the form, we don't actually have to change the chainage range. If the alignment does not exist past chainage, let's say 210, then the software has got nothing to match onto, therefore nothing will happen to that code. So we can leave the chainage range as it is. If you're using Civil 3D, however, and you're planning to use our conversion tool and convert this string into a Civil 3D corridor, you will need to use the little picker tool shown on the form here, and then go and click the Start and End extents of where the alignment exists on the drawing. Either that, or you can type the chainage ranges shown on screen, but this is only if you're looking to export this as a corridor at some point. We're changing the left edge of bitumen, and we're using a method called Change, Offset and Level. And very shortly we're going to see the difference between that and Change, Offset and Keep Level. What's going to happen is we're going to take the 3% and it's going to be projected until it strikes the position of the alignment. The alignment we're picking is our Road 1 EB Widen. Now we click Apply. You can see there the line work has been changed on screen, the model has also been updated, and the cross-section clearly shows, as we scroll back and forth through the particular chainages, that that code is matching onto the alignment as it should. Let's just have a quick look at the other option we had within that design variation. So I'm going to access the variation by right-clicking anywhere in the cross-section window, clicking on Open Section Design Data. There is our design variation, and there we have Change, Offset and Level. So I'm going to click on the pull down and click on Change, Offset and Keep Level, and then click Apply. You'll see in the cross-section window that the slope has changed. What's happened is that the software has kept the original left edge of bitumen level in its original position and simply projected it across. When we use Change, Offset and Level, it maintains the slope of 3% and pushes that slope all the way through to the alignment. If we click on Apply, you can see that. Let's close down the section data form, then have a look at Model Viewer to see the design change.